Welcome back to another video. Today we are making chicken teriyaki from the Home Chef. I have been using them, I want to say probably a month now, like 3 weeks to a month. And so far I have been loving it for my family of 4. This is so easy and it really takes the stress off of me when it comes to figuring out what we're going to eat for dinner, how much everything is going to cost. I need to look up recipes and find the ingredients in the store. So by having Home Chef, it has eliminated my time in the grocery store. Now we just buy snacks or we'll just get some lunch. And because my kids are smaller, they're toddlers, so they don't really eat that much. So for us, we always have leftovers. And that's something that I love about Home Chef as well, is because we're a family of 4, but it's 4 of us, but it's 2 toddlers. We have a lot of food left over. So we get the 3 days. And I believe I made another video or I made another short if you want to see more recipes that I have made. But I wanted to show you guys what this one was. We get 3 meals a week. We schedule them to come every Sunday morning. And by Friday, we have to put in what we have to just confirm what we picked out. And I do love that because they have so many options. You can do gluten-free, dairy-free, keto, anything like that. If you want to just be pescatarian, if you want no pork, and they will customize it to what works for you and your family. And that's something that I love as well. It's so super easy, you guys. If you haven't checked them out, definitely check them out. They have really fresh ingredients. I love that as well because I have been very picky with getting my vegetables and getting my meats. As you all know, I do have a garden, so I did get one of my little green bell peppers from my garden. And we do have green onions as well, but they provided green onions, so that was really nice. This is also really good for parents if you want to teach your kids how to cook and you don't want a lot of mess, or you don't want to buy too many ingredients in the store. Then you end up having a surplus of items that you don't need or you no longer use. So this is really good. My kids love helping to chop up vegetables or to help me stir and to add in the seasonings, and I love that. It comes with everything. And this also gives you really good options to continue to cook. Even if you no longer want to use Home Chef, then you actually do get to keep all of the recipes that they give you. So I do love that. And you get to learn different seasonings and how they taste as well, because they provide you with all different kinds of seasonings. And then you're like, oh, okay, I never knew that this season tasted like this, or I never knew I could use this vegetable this kind of way. So I do love the versatility of it. If you guys haven't already, I definitely suggest you check it out. While you're still watching, do not forget to press that subscribe button. I do really appreciate it. Don't forget to also a like or a comment down below any other items that you have used. If you have used any home delivery food services, let me know how that has worked for you and what your favorite recipes have been. So like I said, they do provide all of the seasonings, but let's be real, I still add my own I still add my own seasonings because duh, I like to season my food very well, and there's just some staples that I put in every single meal no matter what. So I am cooking all of my vegetables and my meat inside of my All-Clad. I do actually like this All-Clad. It works really well. Make sure you guys check out my short. I made a review about it. And this is how everything turned out. It was really good. The kids loved it as well, which is always a bonus. If you guys aren't already, make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.